Hi! Nag-enjoy ka ba sa aking uploaded na video kahapon tungkol sa sinyales or babala ng ating Biblia sa mga magaganap pag malapit na po ang wakas ng lupa? So, isesegment ko po ito kasi gusto ko suportahan po ang Bible verse with a specific factual, scientific, and actual circumstances na nangyayari po. Pero in these segments, i-divide ko po, uunahin ko muna ang major biblical verses na sinasabi ano ito at ibabangga ko po sa mga next segments ang totoong nangyayari sa ating sanlibutan. So, in the book of Revelation and other biblical passages, it is described that wars and conflicts are signs of the end times and Jesus' return. Ito po yung mga Bible verses. Sabi niya, when the Lamb opened the second seal, I heard the second living creature come, and out came another horse, bright red. Its rider was permitted to take peace from the earth so that people should slay one another, and he was given a great sword. So nasa book of Revelation, chapter 6, verses 3 to 4 po ito, na ang Diyos bago bumalik si Jesus Christ ay magkakaroon ng patayan ng bawat isa within the country. And then, describe the six trumpets sa Revelation chapter 9 verses 13 to 19, the sixth trumpet judgment, where a third of humanity is killed in a massive war. So, dalawa na po ang ating world war, which ibang segment ko po yon, katapusan na segment ko. I would try to confine it within 10-minute upload kasi baka hindi na kayo makinig. So, also, we see in the book of Revelation, chapter 16, verses 13 to 16, describing the gathering of the kings of the earth for the battle of Armageddon. So, ang ating mga leaders ng malalaking mga bansa ay mag-aaway sa mga masasama. So, kung kayo po ay nanonood palagi ng news sa ibang bansa, ay makikita niyo po na ito ay nangyayari na. And in chapter 19 verses 11 to 21, also sa book of Revelation, describes Jesus' return and the final battle against evil. So, mentras ang ating mga Biblia na verses ay nagpapatunay na ito ay mangyayari talaga. Pero ito po ay balikan natin yung sinabi ko kahapon na 6 angels to give the signs. 'Di ba? So, ang ating bang Book of Revelation, ito ba ay nangyayari? In a summation, I give the verses and the actual happening or circumstances which already unfolded in the past. Pero ito po yung specific na verses describing a series of judgments and signs preceding the coming of Jesus Christ, involving 7 angels with 7 bowls of God's wrath. So, ang una, painful source, the first angel pours out his bowl, causing painful sores on those who worship the beast. So, ito po ay nasa Revelation chapter 16 verse 2. ang aking nakita pong mga illnesses ay ang HIV at saka yung AIDS na nag-erupt na ito way back 1980s. But I will give the factual circumstances in a different upload. Sea turns to blood. The second angel pours out his bowl, turning the sea into blood, killing every living thing in it. This is found in Revelation chapter 6 verse 3. So titingnan po natin in another segment ano po yung mga countries aside from Russia and China na may mga mapupulang kulay ng kanilang mga ocean and sea water. Kasi po dahil ito sa pollution. So ito po ay nangyari na, kaya hindi po talaga nagsisinungaling ang Biblia. And amazingly, during my research, I found na itong mga countries na to na may manifestation ng mga ganitong characteristic ay hindi po sila mga Kristiyano. Alright? The fresh water turns into blood ay makikita natin sa Revelation chapter 16 verses 4 to 7. And it says, the third angel pours out his bowl, turning rivers and springs into blood. Again, makikita natin ito sa Pilipinas, sa ibang Asian countries like Bangladesh at India, na ang kanilang mga rivers ay madudumi din. So, mamaya, you follow through the uploaded segments because eventually I will be leaving for Europe. Hindi po ako makakapag-upload ng mga videos related to our country's political landscape, and ito po ay ating busisiin muna. Unahin po natin ang ating kaluluwa at ang ating kaligtasan. So the fourth angel pours out his bowl, which is the scorching heat. So, causing scorching heat from the sun, leading to severe pain and blasphemy. Nandito po to sa Revelation chapter 16 verses 8 to 9. At ako rin po ay magbibigay ng enumeration ng grabing factual and scientific circumstance ng mga countries na na-hit po ng global warming at anong degrees ang hit po na naranasan nito at ano yung mga circumstances. Darkness and pain. The fifth angel pours out his bowl, bringing darkness and painful sores to the kingdom of the beast. This is found in Revelation chapter 16 verses 10 to 11. Again, titingnan po natin ang mga nangyayari sa mga sanlibutan na wala pang Diyos at hindi nag-aabay doon sa principles, even if may relihiyon sila, pero mali po ang mga practices na pinapractice ng kanilang mga saserdote at ang kanilang mga supposedly spiritual leaders. Ito po ay supported din ng Book of Revelation that in the last days, marami pong false prophets na magsisilabasan at magagawa ng kanilang practices na hindi po according to the doctrines of the Bible. Ito po ay nasa Revelation chapter 16 verses 13 to 14, which after the six angels bowl, 3 unclean spirits like frogs come out of the mouths of the dragon, beast, and false prophet, gathering the kings for the battle of Armageddon. So yung mga good men ay mag-aaway sa mga kings na mga salbahe in the battle of Armageddon. And of course, we have the sixth angel po na sinabi na on the great river Euphrates, and its water is dried up to prepare the way for the kings from the east. Revelation chapter 16 verse 12. So, sa eastern part, if you remember, doon po sa Book of Isaiah, di ba mawawala muna ang tunay na simbahan ng Diyos at ito po ay i-restore in the last day sa Far East. So kaya po magpre-prepare po ang mga leaders ng Far East or East na mga leaders for the Battle of Armageddon. At ang last po ay the seventh angel pours out his bowl, causing a severe earthquake, hail, and a great earthquake unlike any before. This is found in Book of Revelation chapter 16 verses 17 to 21. Susunod po ang aking upload tungkol sa scientific and factual circumstances na ito po na 7 simbolo or signs bago dumating si Hesukristo na ating Panginoon ay mangyayari. Thank you for listening and subscribing.